Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only and is based on my personal knowledge. This is not financial advice. Has Bitcoin already bottomed? Today, we'll explore the highest probability setups in the current consolidation and look for potential breakout opportunities. Welcome to Trade Smart by JoelSmith26. In this video, I'll share my analysis of Bitcoin focusing on directional bias using Elliott wave theory and key Fibonacci levels. This video is for educational purposes only. It's meant to help you and others find confluence in your own analysis. Sit back, enjoy, and trade safely. Before I proceed to the recent price action analysis of Bitcoin, I need to include a quick review of my grand supercycle analysis, as it will serve as my futuristic price pathway for Bitcoin. Without this grand supercycle analysis, trading Bitcoin is like walking in the woods with no clear path. You can watch the full grand supercycle analysis in my previous video upload titled Decoding Bitcoin Grand Supercycle, if you have already seen that video. You may fast forward a little to the recent Bitcoin price action analysis in this video. This is my grand supercycle futuristic price action directional bias for the price of the Bitcoin based on Elliott wave theory. Grand supercycle requires 3 supercycles. Each supercycle requires 3 cycles. Each cycle requires 1 bull run and correction or whole bear market, and the waves will represent Elliott wave count. As you can see in the chart, the first cycle represents wave 1 and 2 of the first supercycle. Second cycle represents wave 3 and wave 4. The third cycle represents the wave 5 and the whole first supercycle price correction. That completed the whole 5 wave count. This whole completed 5 wave count inside first supercycle will represent as wave 1 and 2 in the grand supercycle. So where are we now? We are now in the second supercycle that will represent the third wave off the grand supercycle. And this current bull run that was started in 2024 will represent as wave 1 within the second supercycle within the third wave of the grand supercycle. So, what do you think of this coming 2028 bull run? Are you prepared to witness the most explosive, most impulsive cycle of the Bitcoin first grand supercycle? First scenario of the fourth cycle of overall price directional bias analysis based on Elliott wave theory. Price may have already completed this fourth cycle bull run and is now entering a correction bear market. The white horizontal line represents the Fibonacci retracement levels taken from the all-time high down to wave 2 of this cycle bull run. The 0.5 level at 74,762 is the first target. The 0.786 level is the second minimum target. And the 0.886 level is the invalidation. Price should not touch the 0.886 level to keep this price analysis valid. The white vertical line represents the minimum trend-based Fibonacci timing extension target, measured from the beginning of wave 1 of this cycle bull run to the all-time high. This gives the time levels at 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618. Price must reach these levels to confirm a bottom for this entire price correction. Correction bear market WXY double zigzag scenario. If this current correction bottoms, it may still bounce and continue with further sideways correction. In order to reach the minimum target of the time-based Fibonacci extension, based on the data of this current correction, the current price is still in wave W. The common targets for wave X are the 0.5 and 0.786 Fibonacci retracement levels, measured from the beginning of wave W to its end. If the 0.5 target is hit, then the WXY double zigzag is the highest probability, and wave Y could reach as low as 100% trend-based Fibonacci extension, measured from the beginning of wave W to the end of wave W, and projected to the end of wave X at 51,371. The 1.618 level at 13,184 is also a common target. However, it will invalidate a Fibonacci retracement level of 0.886, so therefore the 100% extension is the preferred target. The 100% extension level is in confluence with the Fibonacci retracement measured from the all-time high to wave 2 of this cycle or bull run count, specifically the 0.786 level at 55,066. Correction bear market, IBC flat. If this current correction bottoms, it may still bounce and move sideways for further correction in order to reach the time-based Fibonacci extension minimum target, based on the data of this current correction. The current price is still in wave W. The common target for wave X in a flat correction is the 0.9% Fibonacci retracement, measured from the beginning of wave W to its end. If the 0.9% target is hit, then a WXY flat has the highest probability, where wave Y could be a triangle with a minimum target of 0.382 at 106,356. Or a zigzag with a minimum Y target of 100% extension at 68,256 or 1.618 at 30,300. However, the 1.618 level will touch the invalidation of 0.886 of Fibonacci retracement level taken from all-time high to the wave 2 of this cycle bull run. Therefore, the 100% extension is the preferred target for zigzag wave Y. Scenario of wave W within wave C from the all-time high. The price formed wave 1 and wave 2, and the current consolidation is wave 4 inside wave 3 of the yellow count. To keep this scenario valid, the price should not touch red line level, which would overlap the price of wave 1 and result in an invalidation of the white count wave 4. Wave 4 is already reaching the vertical white line, which is the trend-based Fibonacci time level taken from the all-time high to wave 2 and to wave 3, giving the minimum target of 0.618 and 100% extension. This suggests that the price is ready to break out at any time. The 1.618 Fibonacci trend-based extension target of the white count wave 3 has not yet been hit, so there is a high chance that the price may still continue downward to take the recent low of wave 3. Wave for accumulation, WXY wave W is running an ABC flat, and wave X is a regular flat, where wave C has already hit the minimum 100% trend-based Fibonacci time extension taken from the beginning of white wave account to the end, and is now approaching the 1.618 second common target. Wave Y could take the form of a regular ABC flat, zigzag, or triangle, if wave Y becomes a regular flat, zigzag. The two common trend-based Fibonacci targets are the 100% extension and the 1.618 extension taken from the beginning of wave W to the end of wave X. However, to keep this white wave for count valid, the 100% extension at 97,768 is the preferred target, because the second target at 1.618 would overlap with the wave 1 white count and invalidate this white wave for count. If invalidation is touched, WXY double zigzag has highest probabilities. If the current consolidation pushes the price higher and touches the red line, it will overlap wave 1 of the white count, which would invalidate the white count wave 4. In that case, this WXY double zigzag second scenario will have the highest probability, where the price could retrace higher to the Fibonacci retracement targets, measured from the all-time high down to the recent low at 80,600, giving a target of 0.382 at 98. 115 and 0.5 at 103,486. If you want to start trading and are not sure which crypto platform to use, I recommend the crypto platform I am currently using. It is legit, has low trading fees, and supports cash through P2P. You can find the referral link in the comments section. Please use my referral code so you can earn a sign-up bonus. That's it for today's Bitcoin price action analysis. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. If you think this video can help other traders, please like and share it. If you want to request another crypto coin analysis, then drop a comment below. Stay smart, stay updated, and always trade responsibly and wisely. This is JulSmith26, signing off.